Hey, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox Boss Babe or Boss something. I ripped the shipping label, so I don't have a name, but it's Boss something. I'm sorry, I forgot. But this is the first time they received PR from them, so yay, it's so exciting. So I think I signed up a form and they chose me, luckily. I don't know how, and I thought I was just gonna only receive one product, but they sent me two, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna open this one because I already opened the box, but I don't know what it has inside. So it's a cute little box, and when I saw this, I just liked it. I fell in love with it. It says he deserved this. I was like, thank you, you know. I don't get told that, you know, so thank you. And then I kind of feel bad. I'm like, I feel like yeah, so it's pretty cool. It's a cute little box. I just like that it's so small and tiny. It's cute. So it comes like this. This is, I don't freaking know. Oh, this is not from the same brand. Oh, my bad. This is from a different brand. I thought it was from the same brand. Oops, sorry. You know, sometimes when you get reached out by a lot of brands, you can't keep up sometimes, and it gets confusing and a lot to handle. It's like, so it's better to write things down. I haven't used my journal to write things down, just in my notes, so it just totally flew out of my mind, so whatever. So, and this is skincare. I totally forgot about this. So wow, I love the packaging. It's ombre, it is like pinkish yellow. Is very tropical summery vibes. So obviously I love that. Summer is my favorite season, and spring, so I definitely need this because I'm not liking the fall winter weather. I just don't like it. It's very gloomy, so it's just happy in a bottle. So yeah, I'm so excited for this one. This is from the brand Khasai. I don't freaking know, I'm so sorry, but that's the brand. Khasai, I think. So it says clean beauty customized, and it says I am radiant, thank you. I'm just kidding. But yes, I wish, because look, I'm dry, but it is one. Let me open it. Oh no, this smells like tea tree oil, like I can't, never mind, TMI. I was gonna say something, but never mind. I don't want to put people on blast, so never mind, I'm gonna be quiet. But it does smell like something like a chemically, like, I don't know how to describe it, not so much medicine, but yeah, something to help you heal a body part. I don't want to say what, or like, you know, so because it can be embarrassing for someone, but it's not because of me personally, but I've, you know, I know people. So anyways, I'm gonna be quiet now. Yeah, you're probably like, what? Yeah, they're not gonna get it, so never mind, so whatever. So if you do, you do. If you don't, then you don't. So it smells pretty strong. It doesn't smell good at all. It smells chemically and disgusting. I don't think I want to put it in my face. I'm sorry for this brand. I'm just honest, and when I do reviews, I don't like to, you know, just say the positive good things about the products. I like to say the bad things as well. And I'm sorry, but they're probably like, I'm not gonna send her anything anymore, but I'm sorry, but it's just, it doesn't smell good at all. I don't think nobody would want to wear this. Look, it's pretty cool though, the dropper, but I'm sorry, the scent, I know, it's throwing me off. I don't even want to swatch it in my face or my skin right now, but I don't know what this helps for. I think it's just for you to look radiant and glowing. I don't know, I didn't receive a paper at all saying much about the product, sorry. So maybe I'll have to look through my emails and put it here on the screen or something, but oh, so yeah, this is their Instagram. I love Khasai. I'm just now my freaking arm is burning. I mean, my hand. Ouch. I don't know why this didn't touch that. I don't freaking know this way. Who commented? Okay, I'm trying to rush this. I'm because it's almost time for me to, you know, for everyone to come home, and it's just a lot. So ow, I hurt my finger. I crushed it with this box when I closed it out, so okay, maybe one day I'll do a try on. I don't know. I'm sorry for this rant, but thank you so much so for this gifted sunscreen opportunity. I'm so grateful. I'm sorry. So yeah, okay, bye. Thanks for watching.